今朝礼拜四，哦哟，今朝礼拜四多云。今日早上飞机还是可以飞呀，稍微晚脱30分钟。后来我到了搿搭Sitka机场，吃了眼早饭，吃了搿搭本地做的叫 rockfish， 一种石斑鱼，还蛮新鲜的。我来从机场走到我搿只下头只tour汇合点是30分钟，我就走过去。搿搭当中有座桥，有座大桥，我看 view。机场其实辣海边边浪一只小岛高头，所以搿只桥就是为了通往机场。搿搭像千岛湖一样。Anyway， 搿搭外口就是大海了，就是太平洋了。就是不是 Bay Area 了。搿搭的 Sitka 搿只 town 呢还算大，比我前两天去的什么 Gustavus 还有 Haynes 要大，所以人还比较多。我来有那些 restaurant 啦。有的 hike， 但是就是比较远了，因为搿只岛比较大，我大概今朝就勿去 hike 了。但是搿搭拍眼 view， 蛮漂亮。今朝的土耳其是海浪向大概2个半钟头，在陆地高头2个半钟头，所以叫 Marine and Land Combo Tour， 应该是我比较小的数，等下去看一下。刚刚飞机高头看到一只小岛高头，其实有的房子的，有人住的。
Sitka. So when did you guys get here? Last night. And then you just got here this morning, right?
Yeah, this morning.
How's Juneau been?
It's great.
It's not as nice as Sitka though.
Well, I've been flying around. I went to Gustavus the other day.
Oh, you went to Gustavus?
Yeah.
What'd you think?
It was awesome.
Did you go up?
I did the boat tour of the
So you went up to
glacier bay. Yes.
Oh, it's beautiful. How was the weather?
It was perfect. It was a perfect day.
Good.
I saw a lot of animals.
Yeah. So we've got a couple of stellar sea lions right here on the marker buoy. So these guys will get up to about 2,500 pounds.
Oh my god.
When I was just out here, there was a huge, well, that's a pretty big one right there, but there was a huge male on it. The males will get up to about 2,500 pounds and up to about 11 feet in length. The females will get up to about 6 to 8 feet in length and about 600 to 800 pounds.
Oh, they were making some noise. Too bright.
Sounds like me in the morning. So was it a little plane that you flew to come over from Juneau?
Yeah.
Seaplane.
Seaplane.
Alaska
Yeah.
seaplane.
Oh, cool. Oh,
And then,
man,
so
you
where
were
are
really...
you from?
I'm from New York.
You're from New York?
Yeah.
What do you do in New York?
I'm an actuary.
What's that?
I'm an actuary.
What's an actuary?
It's like an analyst for an insurance company.
She got real good at it.
I tell you how much I charge our car insurance.
What's that?
How much we charge car insurance. That's what we calculate. Yeah.
That's what you calculate?
Which carrier do you work for?
Carrier, it's called W.R. Berkeley.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like really sophisticated.
And is that because I used to work in the insurance business?
Oh,
is
you
that,
did?
Yeah. So you said you do auto?
No, we do like all kinds.
Okay.
Mainly like we do a lot of like specialty insurance.
Okay.
Right. So if
Okay.
yes, auto we have more like commercial auto, trucking,
Right.
those stuff.
Okay. So mostly commercial, sounds
Yeah.
like. Yeah. Okay.
All commercial.
Okay.
Plus some like high net worth individual
Okay.
property insurance.
Okay. And you guys are based in the U.S. and
Yeah, mainly U.S.
Okay.
But they do have international operations.
okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, good for you for
How we doing, gentlemen?
traveling like
Are
that.
you guys
Yeah.
good? Yeah. I'm gonna keep cruising across and see if I can find these humpbacks again.
All right.
Oh yay!
So, how do you say your name?
Elaine,
Elaine.
Yeah.
What's your last name?
Dai,
Dai. How do you spell it?
D-A-I,
It's T
D
D
D-A-I. Yeah. T-A-I is fine too. One is legal. The other is more proper in terms of pronunciation
Okay.
in English.
So you're a mathematician?
Kind of. Or
Kind of.
statistician.
Yeah. Right there. That's a little
Wait,
guy.
where?
Yeah,
Oh
just hanging out.
yay!
Just chilling. Just
Oh my
chilling.
god! Oh my god! Oh my god, this is so close.
Blue whale.
Elaine, where are you staying at in Juneau?
4 points?
4 Points.
Yeah.
How is it?
What's good?
Good
Ooh. Whoa, my god.
or not?
You guys are gonna.
Oh. They were huge. Yee. Oh my god.
There you go.
What do you think? Cool?
Cool.
You like it?
Yeah.
It's more just about being over where another bear is because they can see through that breezeway. They can see each other.
Hi. Yee.
Oh gosh, I'm sorry. It's so exciting. There's so many places to go. Oh, that's a nice picture. Look at how
There they are.
Moms, moms got killed either by cars or by injustice.
So this is new for out here. So this is a little more timid.